Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's class is going to be very interesting because today we are going to learn how to find a square root of a perfect square number ending with 5. So these are the number whose ending with 5 perfect square numbers. So today in this video we are going to learn a trick. With the help of this trick we can easily find out the square root, right? So this is all about a trick. So as you know that the square root of 25 is 5. So here is 25 is there. So we directly will write 5 at the unit digit. Now 6, I will take the factor of 6 in such a way that their difference is always 1. So 2 into 3. So these 2 and 3 are the factors of 6 and their difference is always 1. 3 minus 2 is always 1. Out of these two numbers, which is the smallest? 2 is the smallest. Take the smallest number and put it here in the 10 digit. So that will be the answer of the square root of 625. Similarly, here also it is a perfect square number whose ending with 5. So here is 25 is there, so directly I will write 5 because as we know that the square root of 25 is 5. Then take the factors of 12 in such a way that their difference must be 1. So I can write 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12 and their difference is 1. So out of these two numbers, the 3 is the smallest number, so I'll directly take the smallest number here and that will be give the answer of the square root of 1225. Now the next one here is also 25. Directly I will write 25. As you know that the square root of 25 is 5. Now I'll take the factors of 30 in such a way that their difference is 1. So I can write 5 into 6. Yeah, that is the factors of 30 and their difference is 1. So out of these two numbers, 5 is the smallest number. So I'll write 55 is the answer of the square root 3025. The next one is similarly, that is 25. Directly I'll write 5. So 56, I'll take the factor of 56, 7 8 ja 56. Out of these two numbers, 7 is the smallest and their difference is 1. So I'll write 7 here. So 75 is the answer. Next 25, so straightforward I'll write 5 here, so 90, I will take the factor 9 into 10. So their difference is 1 and the 9 is the smallest. So 95 is the answer of the square root of 9025. And the last one, 25, so directly I will write 5. And 110, I will take the factor that is 11 into 10. So their difference is always 1 and the smallest, so I'll write, and the smallest number is 10. So I'll write 1005. So and this 105 is the square root of 11025. All right. So I hope it's clear to everyone with the concept. So if you like my video, please share among your friends so that I can reach to everyone. And thank you for watching.